So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the Wi-Fi password of your mobile hotspot or your mobile Wi-Fi or your mobile MiFi, whichever one you prefer to call it, right? So this question was asked by Filled Up. He said, I lost the instructions paper how to change the password. So I'm showing you guys how to change the password. So what you have to do first, you have to make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. You can see I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, right? So once you're connected to it, what you have to do is you go to your browser, type in 192.168.100.1, and when you want to just type that, you're gonna hit go, right? So once you hit go, it's going to present you with a login page. So the default login page, login password and username is admin. So most of the routers or most of the Wi-Fi's, they use admin, username admin, password admin. So once you click on it, you have to put those once you put it up and then you click login, it's going to bring you to this first page or something similar to this one. So what you now have to do is you have to click on Wi-Fi. So when you click on Wi-Fi, you're going to see Wi-Fi security. So when you click on Wi-Fi security, you can select encryption, you can put the password, right? So once you put the password, you click save and it's going to save, and then you have to log in. You have to sign in back to the Wi-Fi network. So once you sign in back in, you can just come and check if the password has changed. So yeah, that is just basically how you do it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and a huge shout out to Filled Up for recommending this video, because I didn't know I was going to be doing this video. So a huge shout out to Filled Up, and please like this video if it helped you and share it to someone that you think might be able to need it. And that's it for today guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Major out.